welcome to this week's Lottie's Recycle and Upcycle. This week I've got an amazing little treat for you. So I've got an old wheelbarrow which broke during some work that we were doing to the house. Got really down about it. My partner wanted to throw it away. I was like, no, we are going to do something with this. So that's what I'm working on today. Don't ever throw anything away just willy-nilly. Have a think about it, because you can turn things into something really beautiful. Now, lots of people plant up wheelbarrows, but this one has broken, so it's not looking great. But hopefully the plants in the next few weeks will establish and they'll look fantastic. So I hope you enjoy my little plant up video. It's only a quick guide this time. I'm just quickly doing it before I go away, but I hope you enjoy it and I hope it inspires you to make use of things in the garden that are broken and repurpose them for other new exciting planters and things. Really hope you enjoy watching, guys. Thank you so much.
And here she is, the broken and battered wheelbarrow I've been talking about. Rusty, old, had its day working in the garden, but no need to throw away because we're going to make it look really pretty. So there's already drainage built into this wheelbarrow because of the rust. There's a few holes in the corners, which is ideal. I've put pea gravel in as well, and then a lovely multi-purpose compost. I spaced my plants out ready to plant, and when I was happy, I put them in nice and firmly. We've got a lovely mixture of bedding and perennials and dahlias that I've grown from tubers. Now we're going to water the plants in really well just to make sure they're nice and ready to get going. And in just a few weeks, this is how it's looking. It's beautiful. Geraniums are coming out, petunias are coming out, the dahlias are getting bigger and more established. There's plenty of room and depth, so the roots can really get sunk in, anchored in, and get going. I'm so happy with how this has turned out, and another great saviour for my garden recycle. It just shows you don't have to throw everything away.
Thank you for watching my video. Do make sure you subscribe for more of my Lottie's upcycling and recycling project for the garden, and also have a look at my other vlogs and videos that I've put on here. I've done garden visits and I've also done jobs for the month. Thanks so much, guys. See you again next time.